In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create your Smart Infinity online website. This tool is free for all Smart Infinity members. On this page, we have presentation videos in different languages. Video tutorials that explain how to install the TronLink wallet and how the Smart Infinity system and products work. At the bottom of the page there is a registration button, which directs the visitor to your affiliate link. Here we have a legal notice button. And the button to share the website with others. By clicking on this button, the QR code will be displayed, which leads to your Smart Infinity online page. Below we have options to share on social networks or send by WhatsApp. To create your Smart Infinity online website is very simple. Enter the site, smartinfinity.online/register. Type in this field the name you want for your website. For example, smartinfinity.online/ whatever name you want. This name will be the subdomain of your website. Avoid putting spaces or capital letters in the website name. Enter your full name here. In this field, enter your email to receive information about your website. Avoid using Hotmail or Yahoo email. Paste your Smart Infinity affiliate link here. You can find this information on the Smart Infinity dashboard. Click here to accept the use of your personal information to create the website. Click here to validate the order. Finally, click this button to create your Smart Infinity online website. Congratulations! Your website has been created successfully. This is your personal link. Now check your email where we sent you a message with the data of your new website. If you didn't receive the email, check your spam and promotions box, if you use Gmail. Share this information to your entire team and share your site with as many people as possible. This way we will make Smart Infinity grow more and more.